Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. I welcome you all to our Day 3 online English reading class. So today's topic is how to introduce the sounds of these letters. Which are the letters? Letter I, J, K and L. Sounds of the letters are having the most important role while you are making your child read. So before introducing a letter, we should be careful about what is the learning methodology, learning style of our child. We should understand the style of our child. Our child may be a kinesthetic learner or an audio learner or maybe a visual learner. But based on their style, we should apply the methodology to make them thorough with the sounds of each letter. So here I am going to apply 3 methodologies. The first one is the rhymes through music, and the second one is through story, and the third one is by playing. The first method is rhymes. I have already introduced the letters, the sounds of letters from A to H in my previous classes, even though a recap is very important. Whenever you are introducing a new letter, you should recap the whole one, the entire letters. So here I am going to introduce letter A. The sound of A is A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, and today's letters are E, J, K and L. So the common sound of letter I, that is E, E, and letter J, 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 letter K, K. The sound of letter C and K are similar. So sound of letter K is K, and sound of letter L is L, L. Now this is the song. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gun, gun. H is for hen, hen. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jug, jug. K is for kite, kite. L is for line, line. I'm very sorry, my voice is so poor. You have to bear this with me. Now there is one more song for this, only based on the sounds of each letter. That's A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, B, W, Z, Y, Z. This is another song that you can even start after completing A to Z. The second method to teach the sounds of each letter, that's through story. Yes, I have already uploaded the story of each letter in my channel. You can just go through that, even though I'll show you an example of it. Today I am going to tell a story of letter I. Story is absolutely your own creativity. You can choose a story according to your child's taste. So based on his likes and dislikes, you can select a story and teach them the sounds of the letter. Here I am going to introduce letter I based on a story which I always used to tell my school kids. Here we have capital I. I introduce this capital I as Mummy I. Small I as baby I. Once Mummy I and baby I were sitting at home and feeling really bored. And baby I said, Mummy, I'm really feeling bored. Shall we eat something? Mummy I said, yes, of course. I can make an ice cream for you. And she prepared an ice cream and kept on top of the table. And said, baby I, now it's time for you to have your ice cream. Baby I started jumping. Hey, I got an ice cream. Yes, I'm going to have an ice cream. And she ran and came to see the ice cream. There she saw a, what is that? House fly. Yes, a house fly was sitting on the ice cream. The moment baby I saw the ice cream and the house fly, she reacted like E. A disgusting reaction. What was the reaction? E. Now you can ask your child to make the same sound, say E. And that's the sound made by baby I. What was the sound? Yes, it's E. The sound of I is E. Yes, this is the most favorite activity of each child, right? That's our playtime. This particular activity is going to help those children are kinesthetic learner. The name of the game is finding the sound. So how do we play this with our kid? It's very simple, I tell you. I have some picture cards like this. Some picture cards, right? And that should be belong to the letter which we are planning to introduce. And your child should have the letters like this, letter cards. And when you show a picture, for example, I'm showing the picture of an apple, and the child should find out the beginning sound of it. So what is the beginning sound of apple? So you should say apple, a sound. Then you can ask your child to show the right card. If your child is doing correctly, you can make a small card. It's a star card, so that you can give a star to your child and motivate them. Motivate them by giving all these type of small rewards. And now it's time for me to leave the class. It's our day 3 class. I'll see you all soon in our next class. That's our day 4 class. Yes, but don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.